Starting your loan application might seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be. This guide will walk you through every step of the process. We'll use clear and simple language. We will explain everything you need to know. Before you begin, take a deep breath. Gather all your important documents. This will make the process smoother. You'll need things like your social security number and proof of income. Remember, accuracy is key. Double-check all the information you enter. A small mistake could lead to delays. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask for help. We're here to guide you through every step of the way. The first part of the application focuses on the loan details. How much money does the borrower need? This is the loan amount. Next, consider the repayment period. This is called the loan term. Should the borrower opt for a shorter term with higher monthly payments or a longer term with lower ones? Finally, understand why the borrower needs the loan. Is it for a car, a home improvement project, or something else? Providing this information helps you understand the borrower's needs. Make sure to have all necessary documents ready. Now it's time to tell us about yourself. This section is all about the primary applicant. This is the person who is responsible for repaying the loan. Start with your basic information. This includes your full name, date of birth, and social security number. We'll also need your contact information. This includes your address, phone number, and email address. Employees should ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Finally, we'll ask about your housing situation. Do you own your home, rent, or live with family? Keeping your information current is crucial for a smooth loan process. We need to ensure your details are up to date. Provide a valid government-issued identification. This could be your driver's license, state ID, or passport. Ensure the information on your ID is current. If you've moved recently, update your address. If your name has changed, update your legal documents. This helps us process your application quickly and efficiently. Section 5. Understanding when and why certain documents are needed. Certain documents are essential to verify your information and support your application. Not all documents are required for every loan, but having them can streamline the process. If you're asked to provide specific documents, ensure they are accurate and up to date. Important documents may include proof of income, employment verification, and rental history. Always double-check that you have the latest versions of these documents. Section 6. Declarations, honesty, and accuracy. The declaration section is where you confirm that all the information you've provided is true and accurate. Read each statement carefully. Make sure you understand what you're agreeing to. Honesty is crucial in this section. Any false information could have serious consequences. If you have any questions about the declarations, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. Section 7. Additional applicants. Adding someone to your loan application. Adding someone to your loan application can be beneficial. If you're applying for a loan with someone else, you'll need to add them as an additional applicant. This could be a spouse, partner, or family member. We'll need the same information from them as we did from you. This includes their personal details, income information, and credit history. Section 8. Showcasing your assets, a vital part of the application process. Listing your assets is a crucial part of the loan application process. Assets are things you own that have value. This could include your home, car, savings account, or retirement funds. Providing information about your assets helps us assess your financial stability. It shows us that you have a history of managing your money responsibly. Employees should pay close attention to these details. Section 9. Final touches, additional information for your application. You're almost finished. The last step is to provide some additional information. This section might ask about your insurance coverage. Do you have health insurance or car insurance? We might also ask about your military status. Are you currently serving or a veteran? Finally, you can set up automatic payments. This is a convenient way to make sure your loan payments are made on time. Employees should ensure all additional details are accurately provided to avoid delays. Congratulations! You've completed your loan application. This chapter explains what employees can expect after submission. You've successfully submitted your loan application. Take a moment to celebrate your accomplishment. Once you submit your application, our team will review it carefully. We may reach out if we need any additional information. We'll keep you updated throughout the process. You can also check the status of your application online. Thank you for choosing us for your loan needs.